Hey guys, well, it is now 2023. We want to wish you a happy new year. Hi, baby.
What was that?
Well, happy new year, everybody. It's 2023.
Happy New Year's.
We've been sitting out here for the last hour and a half trying to record a quick 15-second, 20-second video.
You're supposed to tell them our secrets?
Anyways, we're just having a ball, enjoying the beautiful Arizona BLM trails. And we're pretty close to Socorro National Park right now, too.
Yeah,
so that's really cool.
We are.
And but we thought we'd shoot a video here just to give you an idea what it's like in Arizona with the big saguaros. They've gotten a lot of rain and monsoons this last year. So we'll show you some saguaros later, but they're very thick and full of water. Anyways, but we just wanted to call, hi, hello. Wanted to just say, hey, Happy New Year. And we're looking for some really great things to come up this year. We just released the new website, which is phase 1 of that. We got much more to come out on that. Yeah. And what are some other goals? You're not saying too much. You're letting me say the whole thing. You just got to butt in, you know.
Well, you do it so well.
So
I'm just eye candy.
That's right. She's eye candy.
Anyways, I can do it, I guess.
So, so we're really looking for some great things this year. We got a lot of material to catch up on, and we're doing a lot with our YouTube channel. Converting older videos with transferring them into 4K videos and adding new material to them. Plus, we got thousands of hours of material from our trips in the last couple of years that we haven't released yet, and we have so much more we're going to be accomplishing this year. Big goal that you can help us with, though. We need 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel.
We need your help.
We really need your help. So if you haven't subscribed to YouTube on our YouTube channel, we'd really appreciate that. It's a goal that everybody needs to get to if you're working with YouTube for monetizing, which helps offset our cost of our travels and to do more adventurous things. And we could really use your help. Also, our goal this year is to get a lot more pictures with you, our friends, get up on the website, and yeah, so anything else?
Yeah, absolutely. I just want to wish everybody a happy,
healthy,
happy, health, and fruitful 2023. We hope that you and your loved ones have the best year ever. And let's go anywhere, guys.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.